Hello, let's have a look at spider gels. I've had these in the drawer for probably near on a year. Haven't used them yet. I've opened them and swirled them around a bit, but yet to actually do anything with them, so I thought I'd have a look at them, see what they're all about. Pretty late to the game, not even fashionably late, just obnoxiously late to the game of spider gel. I'll show you the consistency. These are from, I got this set of 6 from Amazon. It's not a UK seller, and I can't remember whether they came quickly or not. Yeah, so I couldn't tell you which seller to get them from and how quickly they'll take to get here. So, as you probably already know, it's a really stringy, quite thick, gloopy, stretchy gel. I have painted one pop with Blackout by Diamond Glitters. How's that for one coat coverage of black? I'm going to do a second one, and then I've done one with white as well, Alaska by Perfection, and I'll do a bit of each of the spider gels on each nail to see how well they show up on the 2 colours. Pop that in the lamp. Keep bashing my elbow on stuff. And Alaska. Bit of fluff in there. Never mind. Never mind. So they can have a full cure whilst I look at the rest of the colours. Black is black, white is white. It's really dark blue, which I probably won't try over the black because I don't imagine it will show up at all. Red. They're nicely pigmented, I must say. And silver, which I have just given a stir. I found that the silver and the gold definitely needed a stir first. Well, I do seem to have created loads of bubbles just because the pigment had sunk, so it looked clear, but give it a stir and it's super opaque. It's so sticky. Bloop. It's like a swamp. It's like when they poured liquid gold over Targaryen. So these are cured. We'll start with the black. Let's zoom in a smidge. How's that? A bit better. And I'm going to see what it's all about. Quite like that. I'm going to flash cure as I go, just to hold it in place. Do the same on white, and if I don't make too much of a mess out of these, I could use them to show clients the different colours. I've gone over the same bit too many times there, and it's a bit thick, but you get the gist. I'm not going to be able to show that to anyone. It's too messy. I'm too fussy. Let's do that again, but thinner. Oh, no! I don't think it's ever going to be possible for me to use this without getting an absolute state. Let's try and go super thin. It's definitely a cool effect. I've seen videos online of people doing amazing things with it. Doing like perfect geometric patterns. Can't say I'm going to succeed in that straight off the bat. Right, got that in my mouth. Fair. Let's try silver. glad I just cleaned these sticks. Let it fall a bit longer so it gets really thin. That shows up nicely. Super duper. I could probably play with this stuff for hours and still not achieve anything aesthetically pleasing, but it's kind of fun stuff. And I'm not going to do the blue on here because I just don't think it will show. I'm not going to do the black, obvious reasons. So let's do the red, or I might do the white actually, and then not do the red, and then people will be able to see what the effect will be. So I'm poking the cuticle stick in just a tiny bit, bringing it up so that the string gets thinner. Oh, that's cool. That's super cool. Pretty. So I'll cure that, and might do white on there. But I will do, now what have we done? Gold and silver. I'll do the black. So sticky. I mean, you can never paint a line that thin, could you? So we'll flash that as well. No, we won't. We'll cure that. And what I've also done is I've done another pop with Blackout, and I'm going to go over it in just white, and I'm going to go all over it. That's about as far as my spider gel skills go for a first time. And then what I want to do, ah, they look so cool. That was really quick. Let's get a bit more up here. So I'm going to cure that. I'm not sure how long these cure for because it doesn't actually say. But I'm just going to do it for 1 minute. And then let's move all this stuff out of the way because we're about to get some more messy stuff. I'm going to use these neon pigments. These are from Diamond Glitters. I'm not sure how many different colours I'll fit on there. Might try and get all of these on. These are so bright. They're just 100% intense pigment. So the plan is to get my designated applicator thingamabobs for each one, and go over the spider gel, the white on the black. Oh, damn it. No. I didn't wipe the black before doing it. Oh, God. Take a million. This keeps going wrong. I don't know why. It's the simplest thing. If this one goes wrong, I don't care. I'm doing it anyway. Be bested by this. Right. That's going in the lamp for a minute. I'm hoping after the minute, I'm presuming it's going to still be really tacky because it is just so sticky. And then I will put some pigments on. Not sure how many I'll get on, maybe not this many. but could try. Might not be as effective. We'll see. We'll see how we feel in 35 seconds. But look at these super opaque pigments. You can use code Joanne at Diamond Glitters for a little discount. And these will be under on the drop down menu on the left of the website. I think these are under, I think there is a pigment section. Yeah. Right, nobody whistle. So this is cured. I think I want to start, do I want dark there and light there? I think I might start, oh, wrong colour, with the purple. Let's zoom in a smidge. And I'm just going to pat it on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be pushing it. Blue. I'm going to go below the purple, but then also sort of rub it into the purple as well to try and get a fade. And the same with the next one. So I'm going underneath it and then rubbing up into it. Yellow. And orange. Pink. Don't think we can have room for the red. Never mind. So now let's move those out the way. Give this a tappy tap just to get the excess pigment off. Use my big floofy brush and wipe. It's so pretty. I am worried that it's going to be bumpy. Look. Oh, that's cool. I really like that. So I think I might use Super Gloss, which is the Gel Perfection rubber top coat, which should be staring me in the face. Ah, here it is. And I'm going to float this, and all the black will come through shiny and be more distinguished, like George Clooney. Ah, this is cool. I like it. So even if I don't, out of pure laziness of actually trying to master doing perfect shapes and things with the spider gel, even if I was only to do this with it, totally worth it. That looks really cool. Let's give that a cure. I have topped and cured these that I'll probably just keep out for clients to see what it's all about, in the hope that they then won't search spider gel nail art and ask for something that looks really tricky. Like when you see the videos of people doing perfect shapes, when you go like this, you don't really know where it's going to end. So if I was to try and do a triangle inside there, Okay. All right. I'm trying to display that it's not easy, but maybe it is. Let's try and match. It's not the best place to show you. Let's try and match that triangle. Yeah. Needs a bit of work, I think. Need to work on that. Oh. Oh, the mess, the mess. So this is cured. Let's try and get a bit of light. That's so cool. I love that. And I know a particular client will love that as well. Hopefully she'll let me do it soon. So that's the spider gels from Amazon that look like this. And the neon pigments from Diamond Glitters. I just hiccuped. Diamond Glitters! Oh. Yes, use code JAM for a discount at Diamond Glitters, where you'll find these pigments and a plethora of other beautiful, sparkly, wonderful, amazing colours and glitters and polishes and nail art stuffs. Until next time, bye! No! How did I do this? Oh, I don't like this one as much as the last one. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't know why.